In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery of this Dodge Journey key fob. This key fob was used between 2009 and 2016, and it takes one of these CR2032 batteries. All you will need is one of these batteries and a flathead screwdriver. And if you'd like to pick one of these up online, I have left a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. So go ahead and click that link and then just follow along with me here. It's very easy. Going to look down to where this key ring is. You can see this indentation in the plastic, and then follow the seam along there until you kind of meet that corner. You see that right there? Easiest thing to do is just take a flathead screwdriver and go in that corner with a little bit of pressure. It will stick in there and allow you to just twist your screwdriver until you feel a little bit of a click. And you can see now we've created an opening, and we can just pull it apart with our fingertips, just like that. Now take these buttons, these little rubber buttons, and carefully remove them, set them to the side. Here's our battery. It's really easy to just lift it out with your finger. And as you see, it's a 2032 battery. Take a brand new one. Positive side goes face down just like before. And you just want to click it into place until it sits in there nicely. Now put it all back together. Rubber part with the buttons just sits on top until it sits into place and it doesn't go anywhere. And then this comes right back, and with a click you can see it is all set. Super easy, guys. If you found that video helpful, feel free to give us a like or a comment. And for more information on changing the batteries for any of your key fobs from any make or model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.